Hi guys, welcome back to Rosh's Fun Activity. So today we will do science. And I'm with my friend Satcho here. Right over there, we're using this app called Zoom. This app's called Zoom. And he has a YouTube channel too, and he just copied me. He copied me. It's Satcho's Fun Activities, and my name is Rosh's Fun Activities. He copied me for some reason. He copied me for some reason. I have no idea why. So we will do rainbow in the water. It might not. This experiment is extremely hard because I tried it before, and all I saw was just different colors. Destroyed. Okay, so what we will need, safety first. We will need gloves. So I'll just wear my gloves on. Yeah. There we go, gloves. And then my other glove too. There we go. Okay, here I have my gloves on. Don't forget your goggles. Goggles right over here. Okay, so the materials we will need is we will need three food coloring, 1, 2, 3, or pigment, and then we will need cups, 3 cups, and then we will need what do you call this? A dropper. We will need a dropper and a spoon. This is called a spoon. And we will also need some white sugar and this thing called test tube. Yeah, test tube. You need this test tube. So here's what we're going to. So we will for 20. Wait, I forgot water. Wait, guys, wait. I'll just pour water. I forgot to pour water, guys. So wait a minute. I'll just pour water. I just heard water. You can listen to my classmate Satya singing, okay? If you can hear him. Okay, so I have water now, 20 ml. So first we will need, what's the first? Pour 20 ml. Okay, so I'll need to pour all of this one there, and then I'll be back for more. 2 more waters. So I got okay, 20 ml for the last one. There, 20 ml on each. Okay, so next is then add 3 drops of pigment with different colors. So first is yellow, 3 drops in one bottle. 1, 2, 3. Then we will do green. Green over here. Green, I have it. Then, oops, one. Okay, I added a lot of pigment because this is not because I made this pigment, got it? Because I lost my pigment. I have no other pigment left. And then we will add blue. So 1, Oops. Go. 2, 3. There we go. And next it says to add one spoonful of sugar. Okay. We will need so many sugar because we will need to add 4 white spoonful of sugar in cup B. Cup B is the one with blue, okay? So we need a lot of sugar. I'm gonna get this a refill, guys. Then I will be back in a minute. And Sancho, if you want help with that, I have an answer. I'll be here. Could have planned it, could have worked it out. Didn't believe it when I said it. Everything's about to change. And now I'm facing all my fears, and there's nothing gonna keep it now. A little love is all I need. It's never gonna be the same. Like that, okay? I'll just get some refill. This is the best thing ever. And it's all from a week away. Okay. I'm gonna play it now. 3, 2, 1. Alright. 1. Hello guys, today I'm gonna say this is the best thing ever. And I'm sorry if you don't see my webcam. It's because it's not working. I'm kind of new here, so I don't know. So let's say the best thing ever. Honestly, awesome God, I feel the best thing ever. And it's both from the same movie. Go watch it, guys. It's One Week Away or A Week Away. It's something nice. Alright, we have to see now. Okay, I am back, guys. So here, so we need we got one. So we need 4 spoonfuls. So 1. Two, 3, then 4. There, we're done. No, they're not done. Then we will then stir it well. We will stir it well. Such a kind of pitchy. I'm stirring it up well, guys. Sorry about that. Oh my gosh. Clean it up. Okay. We need to stir this sugar. It's thick. I'm gonna put you, Satchel. How about you sing baby, baby, Satchel? Sing baby, baby, Satchel. It's a song. How about you already sang that, Satch? Come on. Okay. Okay, so I think this is, well, good. This is good, guys. Okay, so let's making sure. Yep, this is good. So the next step of our experiments is, then next is to use the dropper to get 3 ml solutions into from cup C. Let the solution flow away, not rapidly. Okay, so we will need one of these guys, Daddy. Guys, but why did I say that? It's hard to open. Let's do another one first. So this one must be that. Wait, let me remove my gloves first. I won't open. I gotta ask for grown up for these to open. Okay, so I got all of them back, guys. So first we will get this one. Then we will need 3 ml of these. Okay, so that's 2 ml. There, then 1 ml. Then, oops, over here. And let's spray it all out. Then, let's place it over there. And remember to cover it with a cap, guys. There. Next, we will do the same thing. So let's get this. Okay. Green ain't changing. There we go. Then cover it with a cap. Then to the next one, which is the last. Then, so we will need 2 ml. Wah! I poured it in the wrong cell. Then place it over there. Then 1 ml. There we go. Then close it with the cap. Now what to do next? What do you mean rainbow? I have an idea. How about let's try and pour them into each other? Okay, so I don't really get this. There's no rainbows. Oh yeah, we can see it, guys. Okay, let's try and pouring this together. You can try and pouring this together. Or you can say it like this. I don't really know what will happen, but I think we made a mistake here. I think we made a mistake here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye.